As we enter the next phase of our company, it's important for us to take a step back and look at the 4 key values driving our business forward.
Passion. It's the fuel that propels Bailey and our employees forward. It's passion that keeps us up late learning the newest technology. Passion that compels us to evolve to provide products and services our customers don't even know that they need yet. It's passion that holds our standards high. When you pour passion into your work, everything has more value. It creates interest, it gives meaning, and it guarantees quality. Passion produces excellence, and excellence gives satisfaction. It affects everything we do. We are inspired because we believe what we are doing and where the company is going. What we do here is not a job, it is our passion.
Team. Obviously we have a lot of fun with team here at Bailey, but in all seriousness, Bailey is a driving platform for our growth. It grows in our personal experiences here at Bailey, but also in our professional experiences. It helps us in our collaboration between our value streams. It helps between marketing and sales and with manufacturing and engineering. We go into meetings, we have a mission, but during that mission we're also having fun when we're driving results due to that.
To us, creativity is problem solving. How do we solve our customers' problems? How do we get our customers to say, wow, I'd never think of that. I never thought of that. We do that through hard work. It's not the first, the easiest, or the quickest solution. It's done through our employees driving, researching, analyzing, and brainstorming ideas. Those ideas bring new products, new services, and new innovations to our marketplace. We have a diverse group of employees that we're extremely proud of, who continue to push and challenge the envelope. Here at Bailey, we use our imagination to drive innovation.
At Bailey, we always strive to produce work that moves the company forward. With that, we set high goals, we have high expectations of one another, yet we also celebrate and are very appreciative of the successes that we've had here at Bailey. Our goal is to always deliver on what we've promised and to always meet every deadline. So with that, we evaluate often, we realign and redirect as necessary so that we can produce work that we're very proud of.